PSC exam age limit. What is the age limit for Kerala PSC exams? PSC exam age limit varies between the age group of 21 to 30 years. The relaxation for SC and Saint period is for 5 years. For OBC 3 years. To appear in the evaluation prospect needs to be a long-term resident of India as well as need to have evidence of abode in state Kerala. PSC exam age limit is different for some messages like authorities constable. The age restrictions, top and reduced for a certain message, are given up detail under the selection notification for that post. The problems for the PSC exam age limit relaxation for the Kerala administrative test are given listed below. OBC 3 years. SC and ST 5 years. Widow 5 years. Differently abled, vision, hearing, speech 15 years. Orthopedically differently abled 10 years. Ex-serviceman maximum PSC exam age limit will certainly be loosened up for the period of service put in by them in the Defence Forces and also the period of joblessness on discharge up to a maximum of 5 years. About PSC exam certification. Kerala PSC exams. Every Keralite has a dream to get into a government-secured jobs. Kerala Public Service Commission is the only gateway to Kerala government jobs. The 10th level, 12th level, and graduate level examination are designed by the Kerala PSC exam to cater to the different needs of the different departments. Empower the educated Keralites, and inspire and motivate them to secure jobs based on their qualifications so that they can make use of their capabilities in the best possible way and become a wonderful success in life. Significance of PSC exam certification in 2020. To clear PSC examinations in the first attempt, applicants can either pick training classes or go with online preparation programs. Self-study is important for applicants to prepare much better. They can take the aid of online research sources and also inculcate self-study techniques to make their very own approach. The eligibility requirements to stand for the PSC examination are college graduation in any type of stream. The age limitation of the candidates should be 21 and also 32 years. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for an PSC exam certification course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best PSC exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for PSC exam courses every year. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4397 4905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/